This is a tutorial on how to send Ricoh cartridges back to Ricoh on their recycling program. First of all, whenever you open a new cartridge for the common area and break room printers, you should always use the original packaging and put the empty cartridge back in that packaging. I recommend storing them somewhere until you've got a good amount to send back versus doing it at one cartridge at a time. When you get ready to send the cartridge back or the multiple cartridges back, you're going to want to go to your web browser. Now I'm doing this from a Mac computer, so your screen obviously will look a little bit different, and you will likely be clicking on either Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox for your browser. I am going to be clicking on Safari because that is the Mac standard browser. And you are going to type in a web address that will take you, I've got it here on the screen, but I will also have it at the bottom in the links for this video. It will take you to the Ricoh shipping label creation screen. And this right here is the screen that will show up. And you will scroll down to the bottom. And should you not come to this screen, if you get on the Ricoh site and type recycle here, it will bring you back to the screen. You're going to scroll down to the bottom and hit prepaid shipping label. A new screen is going to pop up that helps you create a label that is good for UPS to take this shipment, and it is billed back to Ricoh. So you're going to want to put in your company name, which is going to be City Health System. The address, which here is 3100 Tower Boulevard. This may be different by the time you're watching this video. Durham, North Carolina, 27707. And you're going to put in your phone number and your email address. You can check email delivery notification desired if you'd like to. You do not have to. All right, so we're going to estimate the weight. Now, just to let you know, these boxes come at 1.67 pounds when full. So in order to figure out how much the weight of an empty cartridge is, I say you can either use the full amount. More is always better than less when it comes to shipping something and calculating the amount. Or you can use half of that amount, whichever you prefer. So for today, we're just going to use 1 pound. All right, and so then it's asking for an EDP code. If you're shipping one cartridge, you're going to want to use the EDP code for that cartridge. Our EDP codes are listed here. You may want to document these somewhere for your records. And just to give you an idea of where you're going to find those EDP codes should you not have this list, when you're looking at a cartridge box, you are going to look right in here on the bottom corner. And let's a closer look. This is the EDP code for the yellow cartridge. So that is good for one box. And if you're just shipping one box, then you would put that EDP code in there. Now, if you're shipping more than one, you would calculate the weight with however many boxes you have and times the weight by that many. And if you want to ship them in their original containers together, you can tape the boxes together to make it one shipment. Or you can use a larger box and put multiple cartridges in there. Now, I recommend using one EDP code, even if you're shipping multiple cartridges. They'll figure it out when it gets back to the shipment center that there's more than just that certain one in there. But just say we're shipping one today, so we can hit process shipment. If you need to ship more than one box, this is where you add. You'll do package 2 because they're considering each, even if you tape them together, they're considering that as one package. Since we're done with that, we can hit process shipment and it will create us a shipping label that we can then print and affix to that box. And then you simply would put it somewhere where UPS can pick it up. Schedule a pickup. If you're doing one box, you can take it to any local container and just sit it in there, or any shipping area for UPS. If you're doing a large box, you may have to schedule a shipment or wait until UPS brings something else and hand it to them then. And that is the end of our tutorial on how to create a shipping label for sending cartridges back to Ricoh.